Hey there, YouTube. I thought I'd give you an update. I just got off work and I'm coming into the shop to grab some things for my work. I'm taking some wiring to work tomorrow because I got a wiring job. But I thought I'd come out here and show the differences in turbos and what's going on. So, like always, let me turn the light on. Do I need to turn the light on? Turn the light on for you. All right. As you can see, no turbo. Turbo is out. And let's go down here. And I've already chopped it off. Go over here to the turbo itself. Well, let's see here. As you can see, I broke 1, 2, 3 bolts. Ain't that funny? Anyways, so if you look at the differences, they're oriented about the same. So there's a hole in that one, and then the intake of that one. And as you can see, the turbine side, I don't know if it's any thicker. I don't know. All right, as for the compressor, here's the old. As you can see, that's the old. That's the new. Not much versus. Look at that. That's quite a difference. Let's see if I can get a better resolution. All right, old, newer. The compressor housings are definitely bigger. Definitely bigger. I've already started swapping over everything from here to here. Another water line will get this is the water line for the other side. Put this water line just so I don't get confused. Drain line, and feed turbo. I had to order an adapter to go from this to my dig this out. So basically that's a quarter inch flare. It's a quarter-inch flare, and that's an M14. So I have to go from this to that using an adapter. It's en route. That little bugger cost me $25 just for that. We will be using the brand new oil return line. I was able to locate a gasket out of my pile of parts from many years ago. And so it's just waiting on hardware. I had to order a stud kit because one of these is going to get stud. I ordered all studs, so I'm probably just going to do all studs. So that means I probably should have saved my money and not bought these bolts. I had to buy some hardware bolts, some nuts, washers, and turn this around. I had to buy these two bolts here too for the drain. So just swapping over parts. We will run my other wastegate, which is over here. This is the wastegate we will run. I'm going to swap out this spring that's inside here, and I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to swap out a spring that's inside here. Right now, we got a 15-pound spring. We're going to start off with a 4-pound spring. That's right. We're going from 15 pounds through a tiny turbo with a restricted exhaust system to a much lower 4-pound spring, 5-pound spring on a system that can flow probably twice as much air. Trust me, I know it's going to work. I know what's going to happen. I have a feeling what's going to happen. Here's my little dump piece. That is replacing, well, we're not replacing, but that's what this is. But it's just more higher flowing, and it bolts up to the 3-inch exhaust system right here. I did already remove the, oh, my floor slippery. Where is it? I kept it in a safe location. Oh, I know where it's at. We do have the oxygen sensor removed, and it's sitting in here. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I put the oxygen sensor in a bag because I don't want the tip to get dirty. You do not want to touch these tips. You do not touch these tips with your hands. You keep them clean. Don't touch them. You touch them, you're going to contaminate. You're going to end up, your oxygen sensor could end up failing. Oxygen sensor is failing because mishandling. That was from the course I took when I went to Bowling Green, Kentucky to Holly, and I attended the Holly EFI program, the 6-day program. That's where you get a lot of good information on do's and don'ts. You can go back to one of my original YouTube videos where I talk about I was in the hotel and talked about it. But anyways, you can go back to that. So that's all I wanted to update, was just tell you that's what's going on. Okay?